Hi, I'm Dr. Iliana Solano. I'm one of the pediatricians at Legacy. I work at the LFL location. This is the Lyons location at 3811 Lyons Avenue. And I'm here to talk to you about COVID-19 and how this is impacting everybody's life. We all know that with this pandemic going on, all of our, routines and daily things are being disrupted, and our parents have increased concerns on their children's safety and health. So this is why Legacy Community Health wants our families to know that we are there for all of you.
Thank you, Dr. Solano. Appreciate that. So our first question is, what is Legacy doing to keep pediatric patients safe during COVID-19?
During COVID-19, Legacy is trying to keep our patients safe and healthy. So we understand that there's some hesitation from our parents to come to the clinic for in-office appointments. But this doesn't mean that we need to forego checkups and appointments. So we know how important it is for our patients to feel safe and in a trusted environment, and we are taking measurements to provide these to our patients. So if it's for a newborn well visit or a sick visit, or just counseling for our teenagers, Legacy is taking extra measures to provide a safety and trusted environment. Things that we're doing. We are screening all of our patients and staff before they enter the office, making sure that they're healthy and that they're okay. And if there's anybody showing any symptoms, then we refer these patients or staff for testing. We are also increasing our cleaning efforts in the clinic, and all of our staff is wearing a mask as well. We're also trying to provide some more training for our staff to decrease the risk of infection. And of course, something new is that Legacy is offering some telehealth or telemedicine visits as well.
Wow, that's amazing. So how does Legacy telehealth and telemedicine work?
So many people is asking how the telemedicine or telehealth visits work, and the way we are planning for this is that our new patients or established patients will call Legacy either for a medical or behavioral health appointment, and they can request a virtual or telehealth visit. Once they request that visit, they can pick up the time that is convenient for them, and of course, the visit with the provider that they prefer. For these visits, all you need is an electronic device, either smartphone or a computer. And once you have the visit, then you'll schedule. You'll have someone from the clinic, most likely the MAs, call you and help you set up the appointment. So it's really easy. I know that a lot of patients have some hesitation, when they're request to download an app and use a computer, but we want all of our patients to know that our staff is being trained for these to happen and help you navigate through the whole process for you to get the visit as you need.
Great. What are the benefits of virtual pediatric sick visits?
So with telemedicine, there's a lot of benefits, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic. And one of the most important benefits is that these visits can be held from the comfort of your home. There's no need to travel to the clinic. There's no need to bring the kids to the clinic. The patients are going to be able to see the provider that they usually see. So it's not that you're going to see somebody else that you don't know. No, you're going to be able to see the provider that you're used to. And most of the time, you also get to chat with the MAs that that you usually see at the clinic. So it's a very familiar environment. I think it is important to offer these because sometimes there's just quick visits that that we don't need the patient to come in, but it is important still to for those visits to take place. So this is one of the major benefits. Also, another benefit is that the school-based health care patients are not being able to go to those clinics right now because the schools are closed. So Legacy is offering telemedicine visit with the school-based providers for these patients to have access to their providers even though the schools are closed.
Great, great. What are the benefits of virtual behavioral health visits for pediatric patients?
Well, telemedicine, it is very important, like I said before, and we're encouraging our behavioral health patients to use this as a tool to continue with their treatments and therapies. These appointments are available to see your therapy, your psychiatrist, or social workers if there's any need. And this will assist our pediatric patients with diagnosis of anxiety, depression, or any other behavioral problems. We're also following the CDC recommendations. And basically what they're trying to recommend is that our behavioral health patients continue their treatment during the COVID-19 pandemic. So we're really, really encouraging everybody to follow with their appointments, and if there's any need to use a telemedicine visit, go for it.
Great. And can I still bring my child in for an in-clinic visit?
We have a lot of patients asking or calling if they can still bring their children to the clinic, and the answer is yes. Most of the Legacy sites are open and operational as normal. The patients that are looking to make an appointment or wondering if they should keep their existing appointment are welcome to call us or go online. We are actually, as pediatricians, encouraging our babies that need vaccines to come to the office so they can get their well visit and their vaccines on schedule. The last thing that we need with this COVID pandemic is to have an outbreak of measles or pertussis. So this is something that as pediatricians, we're trying to encourage as much as we can. Please bring your babies to the office to get their vaccines. And in addition to telemedicine visit, I want to emphasize that Legacy is implementing a lot of safety measures for you to feel safe when coming to the office.
Great. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, Dr. Solano. Is there anything else you would like to add that you want the community to be aware of?
Well, like I said before, as a pediatrician, it is very important for me to keep our babies healthy and our families safe. And I can't stop emphasizing how important it is for our babies to get their shots. So please call us if you need more information. If you want to ask us questions, feel free to reach out to us and bring your babies for their vaccine.
Great. Thank you so much. That wraps it up.